This van has a secret inside. A dog wash station. The owner of this van is an absolute dog lover, and we're actually helping him make his dream come true by installing a custom printed wrap on this van right here. Let's go check out Abby. I think right now he's actually in the process of doing the printing. So the owner of this van had his own design. We printed a few samples, choose the right color, because when you see the thing on the computer and print it in real life with the lamination, it changes the colors. Abby's starting to laminate the panels so we can get to the installation process. Secrets out, guys. This mobile dog spot is ready to hit the streets, and I'm sure you guys are gonna see it with this eye-catching color. We hope that we made this dog lover's dream come true. And if you guys have any projects in mind that you guys want designed, printed, and wrapped by our team at Top Wrap Canada, feel free to hit us up. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube and follow us on Instagram. See you guys next time.